Hi guys, it's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wigs. Guys, this is an outfit that I made, and it has this little cape overlay where the cape overlays like this, right guys? So you can wear it with the cape overlay, and y'all see that? And it ties up around the back. So guys, if you want to wear it with the cape overlay, or if you be like, okay, I don't want the cape overlay on, you could take it off. And you can either put the cape overlay around here and make it like a peplum if you choose to, or you can just take it off and don't wear it at all. You can take it off and don't wear it at all, guys. So these is my beautiful dresses. And then I'm going to show you guys, I made it in blue. I made it in red. Now with the blue and the red, I didn't connect this piece. So meaning if you wear this piece, and see, this is made as a dress. This one is made in two pieces. So you will have to wear a bra. Let me show you. You will have to wear a bra or a tape bra. See, that's the skirt, and this is the cape top. So you will have to wear a bra because you don't want to have this on. And oh, this one got sleeves, guys. You don't want to have this on and your boobies hanging out. Now, if you guys follow Lil Wayne wife, Toya, she had a clothing line. And this is one that she had, and I loved it. So this is how the blue one go. I'm just going to put it on top of this, guys, to kind of save. I don't want to do all these videos. And then you just put the skirt on, guys. And then this one, you will have to wear a bra or something. So I can make it either or you guys can make it. See? So this is how to go. And then it'll tie in the back, guys. This neck part. But then you need to wear a bra. Because see that when you raise up your arms, all of your business is going to be hanging out. You don't want all your business hanging out. So you guys see that? That's how the blue one goes, guys. So guys, as always, thank you guys for watching. And you guys make them awesome projects. I got a lot of stuff that I been working on. And the red one doesn't have any sleeves, but this one I put sleeves on. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much. And God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the dress without the cape on, guys. There it go again, another shot of that. Here's another one. So remember, guys, with this cape going around the waist. So if you guys don't want to wear it with the cape, you can always disconnect the cape as well. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. You guys have an awesome day and happy sewing. And there's one with the cape connected. Thank you for watching.